Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome to my channel. So you can go whenever you want. Now, after we have unwound our hank and put it into this gorgeous little ball, I've made some swatches in Pixel, Berroco Pixel. So this is 100% superwash wool. It says machine wash in cold, tumble dry on delicate cycle. So very good. So now this yarn, they suggest a size G hook. And so I grabbed my G hook and I started swatching away. So the first thing I did was started with this single crochet. And while I am showing you this single crochet, I want to show you the magic of steam blocking. So here is my single crochet swatch. Let's see, which way does it go? Which way does it go? So I made a single crochet swatch. This is the same yarn. Look how orange this is. The color really changes in the hank, which is really fun. So I made my single crochet swatch. This is what it looks like in single crochet, but I'm gonna block it a little bit. And steam is my favorite way to block. So I'm gonna just hit this with a little bit of steam. Flatten it out a little bit. Make it uncurl, make it behave. So nice. This is such a pretty yarn. I love the colors. It really does all the work for you. You just need one yarn and the colors just change. So I'm just going to gently press that with my hand, but this is what it looks like in single crochet. So cute. So after I did some single crochet, I knew that I wanted to, very good drape, very nice. I wanted to do a circle. So I started a circle, and this is what it looks like in circle. These are double crochets. Now I don't have enough stitches in this circle. I can tell right away because it wants to cup up like a bowl. So there's not enough stitches. So I was just, swatching, not thinking, just playing with it. So the circle has not enough stitches, and that's okay because I was just swatching for fun to see. And that's one of the lessons of swatching is it tells you, when I'm designing, it tells me what I need to do differently for the finished project. But even if I hit it with some steam, that'll help a little bit. But when it all comes down to it, if there's not enough stitches, there's not enough stitches. So I will remake the circle with more stitches so that I get a better result. But for swatching, this tells me a lot about what the color looks like worked in the round and worked flat in single crochet. So I think these are really telling me a lot about the yarn so I know what would look great in this yarn. Next, I thought I would swatch a little bit with a post, they're not post stitches, but more double crochets alternated with shells. So here's the fabric I came up with. Now this fabric is a little goofy at the bottom because I literally did not go through a stitch book. I just started stitching and came up with a pattern as I went. So if I had followed a stitch pattern out of a book, I would have gotten it right the first time. But when you make stuff up, sometimes it takes a little massage to figure out the rhythm of how it goes. So look at this shell pattern. It's almost like a mini pineapple, like little crowns, and then some posts. So this makes a great fabric for this yarn as well. I did use the G hook. I think that's pretty accurate. A G hook is probably a really good hook for this yarn. It's got good drape. It looks good. It feels good. It gets softer and softer when you block it and wash it. So excellent, excellent. The last swatch I made was this treble crochet swatch. Let me grab some more yarn because I think I would like to do some more. Would you like to crochet along with me on this one? Look how pretty this is. Look how pretty. It's like a sunset, isn't it? It's like, or maybe a sunrise. I'm not sure. Pink in the night, sailor delight. Pink in the morning, sailors take warning. Anyway, so I'm making treble crochets, and look how gorgeous this looks in treble crochet. So I really love tall stitches for multicolored yarn. But you know what? This one is pretty fantastic too. Look how gorgeous this is. I can totally imagine a sweater in this. I can imagine a shawl or a wrap in this. And this gives us a really good idea of what a hat might look like in this yarn. So I think when I'm swatching a new yarn and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, you know, working rows, working lace, working a circle are all excellent ways to begin so that I can kind of get a sense for what the yarn wants to be when it grows up. So here I am swatching Berroco Pixel. Please check out the unboxing videos for Berroco. Berroco has sent us yarn for unboxings a few times, so this is just out of the last collection, and so go look at the unboxings for Berroco. I'll try to remember to put the links in the description below so that you can find them more readily, and you can see all the other amazing yarns and products from Berroco. Let me see here. Very nice. So this is a wool yarn, 100% washable wool, superwash wool. So you can wash it. It says machine wash and cold, like I said. So that's always a good thing when you see a wool that is washable. That means you're not going to accidentally felt it unless you really throw out the instructions. Now it says to tumble dry low, delicate. So machine wash and cold, water on delicate cycle, tumble dry on delicate cycle. So if you were to like wash it in hot and then dry it like heavy duty, like I can't guarantee that it's not gonna like shrink all up. But if you follow the instructions, you'll be good to go. So this is how it is working up. I will put a link in the description below on where you can purchase Berroco Pixel and all the other great Berroco products. Thank you so much, Berroco, for sending this little, look how pretty this is. Look at this is the pink section, isn't it? So, and look how orange this one is. And it's all the same ball of yarn, all the lovely colors. So please like and subscribe. Click the notifications bell. Tell Berroco that you saw me on YouTube swatching their yarn when you go to buy it by clicking the link below. And I will keep making crochet forever. So please like and subscribe so that we can make more crochet videos together. Please let me know what other Berroco yarns you'd like me to swatch from the Berroco unboxing videos that are on the unboxing playlist of the channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.